Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will start learning measures of position percentile. So before we have learned about z-score, now we will start with percentile. So what's the difference between percentile and percentage? So percentage is basically for the individual when you wanted to know the score of an individual person. Like what's the percentage of Mr. John at particular class position, okay, in particular class. So for example, in an exam score, what's the percentage he has scored? But when we talk about percentile is about the whole data set. Okay, so let's discuss this in detail and we will learn from the example as well. So what's percentile? Percentile is a score below which a given percentage of a score in its frequency distribution falls, or a score at or below which a given percentage falls. For example, the 50th percentile. So the 50th percentile is a score below which or at or below which 50% of the score in a distribution may be found. It will be more easy to read if you cut this part and if you read it in this way, the 50th percentile in the score below in the distribution may be found. Okay, so you have this is a data set. Okay, this is a data set. So 41, 50, 62, 75, 76, 88, 91. This is a data set. So what's the percentile formula for that? So the percentile formula is number of values below x. So simple, put them in ascending order. So how many values we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll put 4 over here, plus 0.5, plus 0.5, multiply by 100, divided by total numbers. How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So easy to calculate and you will get the answer. So you got answer 56.25. Now you will read it in this way. Student score 76 is now 56% or 57 percentile in the class overall. Like I said, percentile is about the whole data set, is about the overall. Whereas when we talk about percentage, it's only for the individual person or individual category we are talking about. So easy to remember this formula: percentile equals to number of values below x plus 0.5 divided by total numbers multiplied by 100. Now let's discuss this in detail in other way. So for example, let's reverse this scenario. Based on percentile value, find the number. Now we know the percentile value. So you know, this is very important for the MCQs, guys. In your exam, you will get like 4 questions, 5 questions, and you need you will have MCQs and you need to select the correct number for it. So how you will calculate? Because this is very easy for the MCQs. You can do it in 30 seconds if you know the formula. Which number shows 46 percentile among these? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 of these. Yeah. So percentile formula, total number of values multiply by percentile value. So percentile value is 46. So we put 46 over here. This is percentile value. Total number of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So this is 8 over here. 8 into percentile value, which is 46, divide by 100. And you got the answer 3.68, which is approximately equals to 4. So fourth number is 75. So 75 is the 46th percentile. That's how easy it is. So you have two ways to solve this. One, the one which we just discussed. If you know the number of values below, like for example 50th percentile, you know the 50th percentile we were talking, like when we were discussing that. So number of values plus 0.5 divided by total number of values multiply by 100, you will get 56, 56.25. But when we reverse this, you have total number of values multiplied by percentile value divided by 100. So you have two formulas for this. If you know the percentile already among this data set, you will use this formula. If you don't know that, then you will use the other formula, the one which we just discussed. Okay. Now let's try to understand IQR, quartile, and all that in the next session.